Hey guys, welcome back to Pal Automotive. Today we'll be talking about Wipe and Shine Pro Series by P&S. This product right here is one of our best sellers over here at Pal Automotive. A lot of our detail guys come in and they grab this Wipe and Shine because it makes for a great tire dressing. It's a very unique gel formula, and this product right here is going to be excellent for those tires and exterior trims. So think of those plastic and vinyl trims that you want to get a little bit of that gloss kind of look on that detail, and it works well on wet and dry tires as well. We recommend when you are applying this product right here that you're going to use a brush. You can go in with like a sponge applicator and you can apply that directly to the tire and those exterior trims, but it's going to actually work very, very well because it does have a darker gloss finish, so it's going to work very, very well for those black plastic and vinyl trims. It's going to work very, very well on that type of exterior. Now this product right here is available at Pal Automotive, and you can actually find it here in store at 1627 Stelling Road over here at Pal Automotive here in Piscataway, New Jersey. So make sure you guys are stopping into the shop for all of your car detailing needs. But this product is available on palautomotive.com, and you can find it right here on our website. So make sure you guys are checking this out and getting all of your car detailing supplies with Pal Automotive. We'll see you guys next time.